Hi, I'm Sarah Tilley from Curious Maths. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the fantastic game of 21. It's easy to play, you don't need any resources, and children and adults always seem to enjoy playing. The aim of the game is to say 21, and players take it in turns to either say 1, 2 or 3 numbers at a time, and the winner is the person who says 21. It really is as simple as that. Now, because it's quite a simple game, it's the kind of game I'd recommend for a quick warm-up, something to get your child in the mood to do a bit of maths, or even a brain break. Maybe they've been working on something else and you can see they're getting a bit fidgety. Maybe have a quick game of this. It tends to give them that break they need. Now, the maths behind this, obviously the counting side is quite simple, but it's the reasoning and pattern sniffing side that we really want your child to engage with. So they will start to wonder how they can win. They'll get a bit frustrated maybe when they don't, and that will get them started to think, how can I make sure I win? And with a game like this, there are definitely numbers that if you say them, you can guarantee a win. And I'm going to show that in the demo. So players, you can have just 2 or you can have as many as you want. I've actually played this game with a class of 30 and they absolutely loved it. So once you've had a few games like this, it's a good idea to switch it up, especially if your child has worked out the strategy they need, because they'll just keep beating you. So changing it to losing if you say 21 is really fun twist to add on. Children absolutely love setting each other up and setting you up, so you're the person who says 21. A lot of children actually prefer this game, but I always start with the other way so that they can really start to think about their strategy. And it's interesting then to see if they can reverse their strategy when they don't want to be the person who says 21. Next, I'm going to play 2 games, and I know the strategy and my husband doesn't, so I'm planning on beating him twice. So watch the first game, see if you can work out what I'm doing, and then I'll play again and tell you what my strategy was for winning. Let's play 21. Do you want to start?
Yes, please.
Off you go.
1, 2, 3.
4, 5.
6.
7, 8.
9, 10, 11.
12, 13.
14.
15, 16, 17.
18.
19, 20, 21.
Oh.
Let's play another round. Round 2. Shall I start this time?
Yeah, go on.
Okay. 1, 2.
3, 4.
5.
6, 7, 8.
9, 10.
11, 12.
13, 14.
15.
16, 17.
18, 19.
20, 21.
Yeah. Very good, very good.
So did you work out my strategy? So the first thing I was thinking about was the maximum number that either person can say, and that's 3. So if I can get my opponent 4 away from the target number 21, then I know that I'm going to win. So I was aiming to always be finishing off on 17. Because 17 is 4 away from 21. So even if my opponent said one number of 18, then I can go 19, 20, 21. If they say 2 numbers and go 18, 19, I can go 20, 21. And if they say 3 numbers, 18, 19, 20, I can still say 21. So that's one of the ways that I knew I was definitely going to win. Now, it might seem a bit risky leaving it till 17, but then I was also thinking about multiples of 4. And you'll notice in the second game, I managed to draw him into just saying multiples of 4, because obviously 4, 8, 12, 16, that's going to leave him on 16 and give me a chance to say the number 17. So that's what you need to do if you want to beat your child, and that's what you need to know if you want to talk about it.